Hey everybody, here we have the Apple II Plus, 1979. This is just a quick run through on how to use the machine. It has a built-in speaker, mono, so you don't need to connect any speakers or do anything with it. The machine will auto boot from disc 1, which is this one. Uses a 5 1/4 inch discs, as you can see. This has got invaders on it. So we'll try that in a minute. You can see it's got a power LED, reset is there. Reset doesn't always work, often it's disabled in software. So around the back, if we can see, we have composite out here, which says monitor, I think. We have a cassette in and a cassette out there. We've got a 240 volt power and a power switch. Both disk drives connect to the Apple controller card, which is inside. And for the outside, that is it. There's not a lot to it. Basically, it's a power switch and a power lead. As you can see, the composite is going to my TV, which is not on. So I'll turn it on. We have a happy bleep, and as you can see it's booting from disc 1. I've put the flap down and we've got a menu popped up. Space Invaders. Oh, what more could you need? So we'll run. What have we got? There's no joystick connected, so Keyboard Invaders is E. So we'll run E. As you can see, it's loading. Oh. So it's D, F and J to fire. D, F. And I'm dead already. So we'll just press reset and see what that does. Often it don't do anything. So we'll power off. Take that disc out. Now we'll try another one. Disc 1 auto loads. So we'll power on again. And we're loading what I think is Elite. And there it is. There we go, there's Elite. So that's Invaders. So we'll turn this off and I'll show you inside. Move the disc out of the way. Now on the Apple II, the top comes off, you pull it. There's no catches, just some Velcro strips. And here we are, the inside of a 1979 Apple II. Okay, power back, which I've recapped, changed the 4 capacitors because they tend to dry, burn out and explode basically. We have all the RAM in this area here, which has all been checked. I've taken it out, checked it. We have there the language card, which provides an extra 16K that goes into that RAM socket. So it's 48 as standard. With the RAM card it's 64K. We have here a serial card made by some unknown manufacturer, and here we have the disk drive card, which I'll take out. And as you can see, it says drive 1 and drive 2. Pretty self-explanatory what it does. It drives drive 1 and drives drive 2. So there we go. The ports here are important in the respect of the language card goes in port 1, the discharge card always goes in the last port, generally. The serial card will go in 3 or 2, and these ports can take anything from modems to RAM expansions to RGB cards to printer drivers, printer cards, to all kinds of things, whatever you like. I think these went up to at least 128k. They might have gone to 512 and above, I don't know. But the cards can be quite expensive as these machines are becoming, or starting to become, silly money. But that's the Apple II anyway. I think that's about it. The audio jacks there, you can see just about. Composite video out. That there is the joystick port. See where my finger is? There's an empty socket there. You plug the joystick connector in and it comes out the back here. There's a little plastic tab that slides in there and locks it. So you've got a pair of joysticks or paddles, whichever you want to use. Like I say, the RAM is contained in this little white square. The first bank of RAM there at the front is needed to power the machine. And the second banks of RAM are extra RAM. The machines later sold with 48k. Originally, I think they sold with either 16 or 32. It might have been 16 initially. We have a mono speaker, and just there that you might be able to see as part of the keyboard, printed circuit board. But that's about it. There's not a great deal going on, but that's why they're still running 30 years later. Thank you very much.